Kristin, welcome to KBIS 2025. We are in the zero inefficiency zone where you can get more done in less time while being a little better to the environment and your pocketbook. Behind me here, I have my new signature laundry. These are going to be some of the largest washer dryer pairs on the market with 5.8 cubic feet in the washer and a whopping 9 cubic feet in the dryer. You might notice we have some beautiful new controls on this 7-inch LCD panel. Very easy to just slide your way to your preferred cycle. Hop on in there to adjust to your preferred settings. You've got to take a look inside. Look at that capacity. And of course, all of our washer pairs, front load, are never complete unless we pair it with our LG Sidekick or a pedestal that just bring them up to the perfect height. This is going to be a great addition for those folks who have room for a 29-inch washer dryer pair. Then we move on to completing the ultimate laundry room with an LG styler. This is our new heat pump styler. It's got our beautiful mirrored finish on here. We've added room for 5 hangers and updated the pants crease care. The other thing I am enjoying about this one is the addition of this amazing hand steamer. Because we use our True Steam, this is easily the best hand steamer you will ever use to get those wrinkles out in no time. This does not, of course, need to be plumbed. We have room for fresh water, dirty water, and it doubles as a room dehumidifier. Moving into a stacked laundry pair, I've got my WM6700 with its 5 cubic feet capacity, Turbo Wash 360 technology, and our AIDD 2.0 that does the laundry for you. From everything from depositing the right amount of detergent to picking the right cycle based on fabric characteristics. My new favorite way to pair a laundry is with a heat pump dryer. So this is the DLHC 5502 7.8 cubic foot dryer with our direct drive motor. So much more efficient when it comes to energy usage while taking not that much longer to complete your laundry. And having a heat pump dryer at home, my clothes have never ever felt softer. So really great solution for those customers who maybe want to move a laundry room and don't want to have to vent outside. Now let's move into my kitchen where we are showing off the amazing new handle design. So it has a very nice ergonomic feel to it. This is my double oven. This has got our steam sous vide technology for really consistent heating and tasty meals, along with our air fry. And with two complete ovens, you've got enough room to feed a family and then some. If a double oven isn't your thing, we've got a beautiful Induction slide-in range here. Same thing, featuring our new handle design. This has got our ProBake technology in here, so you're going to get the best heating, best convection out there, and our amazing Induction cooktop for safer, precise, efficient cooking. You'll note on my Extend Event microwave as well, we've got that new handle design. This is got a 400 CFM fan, and it's going to collect more of that steam and smells with the nice extension of that vent. Now, these are very similar to models that we already have, just with a beautiful new handle design. Now, if you want to check out something new to our lineup, we do have our 800 series dishwasher. So let's take a look inside. First thing you'll notice is that tub light. Love having this nice feature. It's easy to see what is in there. The glide rails on here move like a dream. Super easy to adjust up and down if needed. But my new favorite thing is on my third rack here. You might be aware that we can do some adjustment in height depending on what we're putting in there. We've added that option on the other side as well. But I've taken to drinking a lot of tall water bottles, and they had troubles fitting before. So now I have this great space on the right side there for all those tall water bottles. Another fun hidden feature we've added on this one is when I do hit start on my cycle, you're gonna notice on the ground, it's gonna let me know that that is running with some mood lighting. When I finish the cycle, it's gonna auto open for me, and that light is gonna turn solid, letting you know it is completed. And then we do have our beautiful 36-inch induction cooktop as well. Very powerful heating with our bridged element on here. It just looks amazing in any kitchen island. Thanks for joining me. See you next year.